lifetime experience. Everyone must do it. If you have the opportunity, absolutely come here. It's an absolute ball.
We had a really good time coming down, staying with the guys.
Great team event.
Lots of run, lots of racing, not too much wind.
And the evenings are fantastic as well.
Antigua's awesome, the regatta's awesome.
Well, we enjoyed this very much.
Could have been better, we hit a rock today.
But it's hard work.
We had a lot of fun.
The final day's racing made for spectacular viewing in Antigua, especially from the natural grandstand of Shirley Heights. Many sailors, particularly from Europe, made great efforts to be here, dodging volcanoes and ash clouds. But from the explosion of smiles around the historic dockyard, it was all worth it. We mentioned in our previous report that the Leinfelder Watch was being hotly contested between the winning boats in cruising classes 1 and 2. And in the final reckoning, the hunting move by Acadia gave them the margin.
You're bearing away, look at your telltale.
It was controversial because hunting a boat outside your class would have been thrown out by most juries, but Sunbeat 4 accepted their penalty in arbitration. In Racing 1, the competition was red hot between Titan and Ran. These boats were truly amazing to see as they hurtled around the track.
Okay. Stand by to tack here, guys. Tacking in 3, 2, 1. Here we go.
In the end, Ran won her class by 4 places.
No, this is what Antigua Sailing Week is all about. Great competition, good wind, good waves, good sun, and just a great fun. So we really enjoyed it. And specifically, we enjoy racing Titan, and also the race organizers did a fantastic job. Everything just worked like clockwork, so we're super happy we're going to come back here for sure.
But it had been a worthy battle, even for an America's Cup tactician.
It's been a great week on the Titan. We've had a really good time. Always have fun racing in Antigua. What a beautiful place. All in all, it was worthwhile coming down, and we will be back.
We'll finish with a few images from the event. Perhaps we'll see you there next year. Let's hope so.